Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this writing board for kids. And this little one is excited to open it. So this is 20 inches and it's rechargeable, so you don't have to replace the batteries. Excuse me, fingers. Do you like it?
Yeah. So, what's the other one? What's the white box?
No, it's this one. These are all the same. So we got the pink one, so this one's for the girls. Let's find a blue one. This is the first one. And then let's see. I got 4.
We got another one for Noah. The small one.
So we got another pink one.
This one's like us. Okay. We got some for boys. Another one for Noah. Hey, don't look at this. Don't look at this thing. This is
They sent me all 4 pink ones. Let's see what's inside. So this is the product instruction. It says here, contains electronic elements and should not be soaked in water or used in a damp environment. Use a soft clean cloth to wipe the dirt on the surface. So let's open one up. They're all the same. So I'm just gonna try to open one. You can see it's a 20 inches LCD.
this one.
Oh, this could be Noah's.
It is. It's for all of us.
There you go. So
Yeah, it's for all of us.
there's the pen that came with. And then there is an extra pen. There's 2 pens. See, be careful, wait. Oh no, don't do that. I'm gonna open it carefully.
What is this?
Let's see. Let's open the front. I think this is just a cover. So here's the thing. Here's the drawing board. It came with 2 pens. And you can put on the pen over here. There's like a leather holder.
How do I plug it?
You can put the spare one in there. And
How do I plug it?
there's to draw. And how do you erase it? There's the, oh, it's locked. So that one is locked, so you unlock it so you can erase it. So there you go. So you can draw,
Is this one mine?
erase it. And then if you want it locked, you toggle the button to the lock. And it won't erase if you do that. So there's a charger here, so if you if it doesn't work anymore, you can recharge it. And that would be the same for all 4.
Yeah.
See, do you like it? So that is our unboxing for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
It's the next one. Subscribe to our channel. It's private.